banana rice flakes milk smoothie or cumin banana rice flakes milkshake, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana recipes and one of the most unique of the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice flakes smoothie recipes. Today we are going to make cumin banana rice flakes milk smoothie. We have taken around 50 grams of sugar, around 2.5 to 3 spoons of cumin seeds, around 4 to 5 small bananas cut into pieces, and around 50 grams of rice flakes or flattened rice, and the banana pieces. And the cumin and the sugar, the rice flakes. Close and grind well. Open. Pour in 300 ml of milk. Close and blend well. Open. Now the cumin banana rice flakes smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour in the mixture into the glasses. This is the final cumin banana rice flakes milk smoothie or cumin banana rice flakes milkshake, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the banana recipes and one of the most unique of the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice flakes smoothie recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification